Hi there, Britt Michaelian here. Listen, I just want to tell you a little bit about this page. This is really going to be a chance for you to get a free teleseminar that is the first in a 5-part series. And this teleseminar is really going to help you tap into that passion that might be missing in your life right now. A lot of moms kind of disconnect with their dreams and their passion when they have children, and so now is the right time for you to reconnect with that passion and kind of reignite the spark in your life and in your relationships with yourself and with your spouse or your mate and with your children. You're also going to get a subscription to my newsletter, Work Smart Mompreneurs newsletter, and it's just going to be a lot of tips for you about how to find fulfillment in your life and also how building a business can really enrich your life. So go ahead and put your name and email address in below, and I will see you on the other side.